Hi everyone, welcome to our tech. So what I have here today is the JEMISUN automatic touchless foaming soap dispenser. So what we're going to go ahead and do today is an unboxing, and then we'll go ahead and set it up and test it out. So without further ado, let's go ahead and check this out. As it says here on the box, it does have a 0.25 second rapid response time. This particular one is model number P7. It uses a Type-C input, rated power of 1.5 watts, sensing distance of less than 7 centimeters. The bottle capacity is 380 milliliters. Product size, it's in millimeters, but it's 107.8 by 66 by 200 millimeters. It is waterproof to IPX5, and on this side is basically instructions on how to use it. So let's go ahead and open this thing up and let's take a look at it. Okay, the particular model that I got here is their silver one. This is the square. They also do have a rounded cylinder shaped one. Okay, you have your warranty card. You have a USB-A to USB-C cable. You have two adhesive pads here, and this is what you're going to use to wall mount it with. You have your user manual, and you have little stickers that you can place on it so you can easily identify what you have inside of here. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at the top here. So this area is basically going to be the touch area. Right here in the middle is your power button. This little circular indicator here is going to be your continuous foam button. So if you wanted it to continuously dispense the foam soap, you would just press that and hold on to it. When you let go, it'll stop dispensing. This is going to be your power level, your battery indicator, and this one here is going to be your indicator light. There are little dots on here, and basically for the battery side, this is going to indicate in 25 and quarter increments. So you're going to have 25, 50, 75, and 100% battery life remaining. And on this side, this is going to tell you basically what gear it is in, as what it's calling. So you have 4 gears, starting with 1, 2, 3, and 4, which is basically going to be how much it dispenses soap when you use the sensor area. If we look on the bottom right here, this is going to be your sensor area, and this is where it's going to dispense. This bottom half here is going to be the bottle, and right here, this is actually going to be your liquid window, so you can visually see how much soap is remaining in here. So let's take a look at the back. Here on the back, this is going to be where if you wanted to wall mount it, you would slide it onto the adhesive plate right here, and this is where you're going to do your charging, and this one is USB-C. This particular model here is for foam soap. You have 2 options with this. You can either use pre-purchased foam soap, which you can pour directly in here, or you can use regular liquid soap, and you would have to use a dilution ratio of 1 to 4 to 1 to 6, which is basically 1 part soap and 4 to 6 parts of water. So that's going to be the dilution ratio that you use for it. So if you want to power it on, again, the power button, just do a short press of it. If you want to power it off, you would long press it for 2 seconds, and that will go ahead and power the unit off. So let's see if there is any charge in it. Okay, so it does look like it's got a little bit of a charge to it. So in order to change the gears, you have to first press the power button on, and when all of these, or when these LEDs are lit up, you keep pressing the power button, and that'll change the gear level. So hold the power button in for, I think it's like 1 second or so. So now all the lights are lit up, so here I am continuously pressing the power button. You see the gear indicator changing, and it does have approximately 75% of battery life remaining. So just go ahead and leave it at 2, and it only takes about half a second and the LEDs go away, but it is on, as you can see. I don't have any foam soap. Let's go ahead and make some. So for this one, I went ahead and tried a 1 to 4 ratio, 1 ounce of soap, and I did 4 ounces of water. And one thing I wanted to note is, in order to separate the bottle from the dispenser, you would twist it, and that will unlock it and allow you to open it, and then just twist it close again. I tried stirring it around a little bit and mixing it, so hopefully it will be a good mixture of the water and the soap. And there it is. You do have to kind of put your hand close to it. There we go. Now that it's primed, it's actually got the foam in it. It is coming out nice and foamy for sure, that's definite. So this thing works pretty well. I'm quite impressed with it. Oh, and in terms of the soap, this is dishwashing soap that I'm using in here, and instead of hand soap, so just to let you know. And again, I did use a ratio of 1 to 4, and this is coming out as a pretty good consistency. I will probably continue to use it as a 1 to 4 ratio instead. This is pretty much what I like consistency wise for foam soap. Okay, well, all in all, I really do like it. I'm not sure how long 380 milliliters will last. The design of it looks really nice. It does have a pretty good footprint for wall mounting, that's for sure. So if you guys have any questions about this, please feel free to ask me in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer them. And in the meantime, I hope you guys have a great day, and y'all stay safe out there.